This is a quick video of the Tesla Model Y rear screen for the older generation of Model Ys. This is 8.6 inches. It's made by a company called Osemall, and it comes with a variety of features including Apple CarPlay, Android, as well as seat control, HVAC, and CarPlay as mentioned. It's a high definition screen and also has speakers as well. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. Very nice box overall. Comes with a nice cover and quality control tag, warranty, user manual, and some instructions. And this is basically the screen. It also has the controls for HVAC. Let me take it out. Okay, it comes with some tools, which is great. Right, let's go over this. I think the probably only thing that we will need for this is a trim tool. I think that's the only tool. Oh, we also need T20 bit, I believe. But anyway, let's see. One connector here, and the other is the wiring harness. I guess this is the Bluetooth connection, and this plugs into the ODB socket that's in the rear screen. It also comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Not sure why, but I'm sure I'll find out. Okay, let's look at the screen overall. It has the rear vents. Ideally plug and play. Yeah, so here's a screen. Your USB-C ports. The vents to open and close. I guess it does move left and right a little bit by moving this, and up and down. And on the back, we have the connector for the screens and the vent that goes into the existing vent. It also has two speakers down here. I don't know if it's visible, but it has two speakers down here. And these are the clips that mount into the existing slots in the Model Y.